Hello guys. Today I think this is my comment down. That's my comment up. My comment up is my comment. After that comment, that's my cousin's comment, Giselle Santiago. So guys, maybe she forgotten to do mine, or I think yeah. And can you please don't forget of that comment, and please watch it now, and here it is. So Ate Jazz, see you next week, and we love you. Every family loves my